Good day, science explorers. Sir Cedric here. Today we're going to master the two most fundamental equations in physics, speed and velocity. They might sound like the same thing, but in science, the difference is everything. On your left side is the formula for speed, where speed equals distance over time. On your right side is the formula for velocity, where velocity equals displacement over time. First, let's look at our terms. Speed is a scalar quantity. It is how much time at which an object covers distance, usually in meters per second or kilometers per hour. Velocity is a vector. It is how much time at which an object covers displacement, usually in meters per second or kilometers per hour with a given direction. Let's see them in action. Example. A car travels 150 kilometers along a winding road. It takes 3 hours to arrive to its destination. What is the speed of the car? To find the speed, we take our given first, 150 kilometers as our distance and 3 hours as our time. If we put these values in this formula, that will end up like this: 150 kilometers over 3 hours is equivalent to 50. Since the unit of distance is kilometers and the unit of time is hours and we cannot cancel them out, our final answer is 50 kilometers per hour. Example 2. A swimmer swims one full stretch of a 50-meter pool. He swim 50 meters east, then another 25 meters going back west. The whole trip takes 100 seconds. What is the velocity of the swimmer? Here's the trick: get the displacement first. It's a little bit tricky, but trust me, it's easy. If this is his starting point, point A, and he swims 50 meters going east, point B, and then swims another 25 meters going west, point C, since displacement can be measured from start to end point, that would be 50 meters minus 25 meters. So, the displacement will be 25 meters east. Time is basically 100 seconds, so if you put these values on the formula, it will be 25 meters east over 100 seconds. Your answer will be 0.25 meter per second east. Here's another scenario about velocity. If the displacement is equivalent to 0, or the object basically go back to where it started, whatever the time it consumes, the velocity will always be 0. Because if you have a 0 displacement and divided it by any number, you will always get a 0 answer.
Since you reached this far, if you enjoy this video, hit that like button and share this to your friends. As Sir Cedric always says, learning is forever. See you next time. Bye.